Hey everybody, welcome back. So I want to go over to the little hamburger menu and I want to go to the file cabinet. This is literally one of my favorite features of the entire application. And the reason I like it so much is it's a way for you to share and collaborate on information one time. Instead of having to email everyone and send a phone call and text message and go on a little tag and voicemail tag and phone tree game and all of that stuff, you can instead go in here and put in a single update. So just like a whole bunch of screens you've seen before, on the lower right hand side, you'll see this little button. If you click on that little button, oops, what did I do? Too much clickety clickety. I'm playing with too many things. So if you hit the button, what you can do is you can either browse your phone for a file, and I don't actually have any files on my phone, so that's my thing. But I can also go to my photos, which I'm probably gonna do just because it's easier. And maybe I'll go to all my photos. You guys get to see my crazy pictures and stuff. All right, what am I gonna pick? Here, we'll pick a family caregiver one. That's a great one. It's very appropriate, except for if I don't select it, right? So if you're going to pick a photo, and then there we go. So we selected the photo, and now we maybe want to put a title on there. So that was like a caregiver, we'll see, I'm sorry for spelling, caregiver update. And a description is gonna, I'm just gonna say image of a caregiver, but you may put something in there like meeting notes from last appointment or IEP summary, something like that. And if you click add tags, here's something that keep in mind. The file tagging, which we're in right now, is not the same as the task tags. So if we go and hit add new, you're like, well, where are the ones I created before? Well, they don't exist. So maybe we put in meeting and hit add. And the reason you know they're different is all of the purple tags are the virtual file cabinet tags, and the blue tags go with your tasks. So if we add another tag, go in here, maybe we'll say, again, we'll say IEP, because I'm going to take a lot of notes there, and maybe ABA, I'm taking a lot of notes there. And then I'm going to just kind of unclick all of that stuff, maybe keep IEP. And again, like everything else, make sure you hit the save. So we just created a new document in the Chloe Smiles team, and the name of it's ugly, but the file title of the file is Caregiver Update, and a little description. We tagged it with IEP. If you don't like it, you can always click this button here and it will delete the file, or if you want to keep it, we're going to do that. Click that button right there. And what it did was it actually uploaded the file. Now the good news is kind of a small file, and you'll notice up here in the library the 0 megabytes out of 10. That's how much space you have available in your plan, and it's always visible there. So you can see you can add quite a few files without getting close. And again, the reason that this matters is if you go into complex search, we can actually search for documents based on that search. So the search here works just like the search in tags. You can kind of go back and look at that video if you want. But always make sure you hit that clear button down here. So this is clear, right there, click clear, and then search again. And you'll know when you don't see the blue search bar that you've got the entire list. So that's how you add a file as a primary helper in the phone app. I'll be back to share some more stuff a little bit later. Thanks. Bye.